So we're on part 2 and we are going to look at the DS11 form that needs to be filled out to get your passport. Remember, you want to make this process as easy as possible, and nobody wants to go stand in line at the post office all day or have to go through taking pictures there. You want to be prepared when you walk in so that this goes very smooth and very quick. So I'm showing you the DS11 form on the website how to do it, but as I said, you can always walk into the post office and get this, or you could print out the form and fill it out by hand, or you can fill it out online and print it out. So once you get to travel.state.gov, you're going to click on Get a Passport. And then you're going to look at your options, which will either be I already have a passport or I need a passport. Now, here's your different options. I'm an adult. I'm applying for my child under 16. You see here, you see all the options. And as I said, we're going to go through the process of I need a passport, but you also have these options as well. So let's just say I'm an adult. Okay, so then you must apply in person using Form DS11 if at least one of the following is true. You're applying for your first U.S. passport, you're under the age of 16, your previous passport was issued when you were under 16, etc., etc. So here we are, we're going to go to the form. And this is what the form looks like that you can get in the post office, but is here. All right, now you are going to need, number one, proof of citizenship. So if you were born in the United States, you need a U.S. birth certificate or an undamaged U.S. passport that may be expired. And if you are an applicant that's born out of the United States, then you could bring your naturalization certificate. Okay, so that's step one. Step 2 is that you'll need proof of identity. So this could be a driver's license, a military ID, a previous passport, federal, state, or government ID, or naturalization papers, certificate. Now, another thing that you're going to need is a recent color photograph. I will tell you that the best thing to do is to get the photograph done before you go to the post office and when you have this form completed, because you could just go to CVS or Walgreens or whatever place does passport photos. I'm definitely going to go to part 3, but sometimes they even offer specials at CVS, like 10% off, 20% off your passport photo. So I'm going to meet me over at part 3.